fond of this cow. She takes care of her every day. She feeds her whatever she likes, and she will get online for her things and feeds her. Yes.
And another benefit of our cow Geeta is that we get a lot of cow dung from this, which can be used as a renewable source in the crisis of the gas crisis that we're going through currently, where there is insufficient gas for household cookings and stuff. And considering in Santulan we have a large amount of kids who are dependent on food, so we use, and which requires a lot of gas for cooking. So hence we look towards more traditional outcomes and more traditional ways in which this can be done. And the way this can be done is using cow dung instead of gas, which also suits with, which is also more environmentally friendly. As for example, in SDG Goal 7, it says affordable and safe use of energy, which is what is being conveyed through this process, as it is also an affordable solution, as well as it is more convenient and it is more eco-friendly as well, and it's more safer to have the doing cooking in this, and this is how we have come to this conclusion.
थँक्यू प्रगती. सर तुम्ही काय करता इथं? हां
भाऊ आम्ही शेणाच्या गवऱ्या थापतो. या गवऱ्याच्या शेणापासून आम्ही नाही का हे वाळल्या की उन्हामध्ये याचा आम्ही स्वयंपाक करण्यासाठी चुलीला वापर करणार आणि मुलांचा स्वयंपाक यावरती करणार. कारण झाले काय सध्या गॅस मिळत नाही आहे, गॅसची टंचाई दिवसेंदिवस वाढत चालली असल्यामुळे गाईच्या शेणापासून आम्ही हा छोटासा उपक्रम मी आणि मला मदतीला मुलं घेऊन आम्ही ह्या छानपैकी गवऱ्या तयार करत आहोत.
या मग आता तुम्हाला गॅसची काय अडचण येत नसेल?
नाही भाऊ, सध्या गॅसची अडचण येत आहे, पण तरी पण त्याला पर्यायी योजना म्हणून एक आधार म्हणून आम्हाला याचा उपयोग होतो. आणि याद्वारे आम्ही चुलीला पेटवण्यासाठी आणि मुलांचा आणि स्वयंपाक वगैरे तयार करण्यासाठी आम्ही सातत्याने वापर करतो.
करेक्ट. How many children you have in residential school, Pagu?
Around 80 children in the Santulan Kharadi branch, whereas overall in Wagholi there are about hundreds of children who also source food from Santulan Center as well. So hence this is a reliable outcome and a reliable way of using energy and a more eco-friendly way through the use of cow dung cakes, which is done by our